Today's podcast features an HME side mount pumper headed for service with the Forestville Fire Protection District in Forestville, California. Built on a custom HME Ahrens-Fox 1871 SFO 4x2 chassis, this agile custom pumper features a 96-inch wide cab, 370 horsepower engine, and positions for a crew of 6. The side mount pumper delivers 1,250 gallons per minute performance, over a 1,000-gallon water tank, a portable 150-gallon per minute diesel pump, a Class A foam system, jump lines, and a deluge gun for complete fire suppression support. The corrosion-resistant stainless steel body provides easy maintenance and cost-effective repair. Modular aircraft quality body construction allows damaged sections to be repaired quickly and economically. Roll-up doors offers immediate access to tools and gear. Congratulations to the Forestville Fire Protection District Chief Patrick Mills and crew on the new HME Pumper. For more information about stainless steel pumpers like this, visit firetrucks.com. For HME Ahrens-Fox, I'm Rich Fleeman.